In today's fast-paced world, clever kitchen gadgets have emerged as essential tools that simplify cooking and enhance efficiency. This video showcases a variety of innovative gadgets designed to make life easier in the kitchen, from multifunctional tools to smart appliances that streamline meal preparation. Each gadget not only saves time, but also elevates the cooking experience, allowing both novice and experienced chefs to work more effectively. By incorporating these ingenious devices into your culinary routine, you can minimize effort and maximize results, transforming the way you approach meal preparation. Join us as we explore these remarkable inventions that promise to revolutionize your kitchen experience and make cooking a breeze. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos. Introducing the versatility of multifunction tongs, an essential tool for any kitchen that enhances your cooking experience. These innovative tongs can connect to various utensils, allowing you to flip, serve, and even whisk ingredients with ease, making them a true multitasker in your culinary arsenal. One of their key benefits is their role in preventing cross-contamination, as you can use them for different food types without the risk of mixing raw and cooked items. Additionally, multifunction tongs are designed for easy cleaning, often being dishwasher safe or featuring smooth surfaces that wipe down effortlessly. With their adaptability and convenience, these tongs are a must-have for efficient and safe cooking. A vacuum sealing machine is an invaluable tool for food storage, offering several impressive features that enhance its functionality. It boasts 5 adjustable sealing temperatures, allowing you to choose the ideal setting for various foods, ensuring optimal preservation whether you're sealing delicate fruits or hearty meats. With a quick sealing time of just 10 to 20 seconds, this machine provides convenience, making it easy to prepare meals in advance without wasting time. Additionally, its capability to handle multiple bags with a generous 32 cm sealing length means you can efficiently seal larger quantities of food at once, maximizing your storage options and keeping your ingredients fresh for longer periods. Using a sliding tray for heavy kitchen appliances offers numerous benefits, particularly when it comes to accessibility and organization. With a sliding tray, accessing bulky items like a KitchenAid mixer becomes effortless, allowing you to pull it out when needed and tuck it away when not in use. Designed to support a weight capacity of up to 25 pounds, these trays are versatile enough to accommodate various appliances, ensuring stability and ease of movement. Additionally, incorporating a sliding tray into your kitchen setup contributes to a neater appearance, as it helps keep countertops organized and clutter-free. This simple yet effective solution enhances both functionality and aesthetics in your cooking space. Using an adjustable measuring spoon offers numerous advantages that enhance your cooking and baking experience. This versatile tool allows for precise measuring of both wet and dry ingredients, ensuring accuracy in your recipes. With easy-to-read indicators for volume measurement, you can quickly adjust the spoon to the desired amount, eliminating the need for multiple utensils and streamlining your prep work. Additionally, the convenience of a dishwasher-safe feature makes cleaning a breeze, allowing you to spend less time on cleanup and more time enjoying your culinary creations. By incorporating an adjustable measuring spoon into your kitchen, you can achieve consistent results while simplifying your cooking process, making it an essential tool for any home chef. Introducing the innovative couch console designed specifically for snack storage, perfect for enhancing your relaxation experience. This clever accessory allows you to conveniently store snacks and drinks right at your fingertips, ensuring you never have to leave your cozy spot on the couch. With built-in storage space, it accommodates everything from chips to beverages, making movie nights or game days even more enjoyable. Additionally, the console features a charger, providing added convenience for keeping your devices powered while you unwind. One standout feature is the anti-pill compartment, which securely balances cups and prevents spills, allowing you to indulge in your favorite treats without worry. Enjoy comfort and practicality with this essential couch companion. A non-stick pot and pan set is a game changer in any kitchen, offering a range of features that enhance cooking and storage. One standout feature is the detachable handles, which allow for easy storage and organization, making it simple to stack pots and pans without taking up excessive space. This design also enables you to store pots in the fridge without the handles getting in the way, ensuring your leftovers are easily accessible. Additionally, the non-stick feature of these cookware pieces ensures hassle-free cooking, allowing food to slide off effortlessly and minimizing the need for excessive oils or fats. With this set, you can enjoy a more efficient and enjoyable cooking experience. Introducing the features of a garlic dicer, a must-have tool for any garlic lover looking to enhance their cooking experience. This innovative device effortlessly dices garlic cloves with ease, allowing you to achieve perfectly minced garlic in seconds, which saves time and adds flavor to your dishes. The garlic dicer comes with an included cleaning tool, making it convenient to maintain and ensuring that no garlic residue is left behind after use. Additionally, its compact design allows for easy storage in drawers or cabinets, making it an ideal choice for kitchens with limited space. With a garlic dicer, you can enjoy the rich flavors of fresh garlic without the hassle. Using an anti-fatigue mat in the kitchen offers numerous benefits, particularly for those who spend long hours standing while cooking or preparing meals. This mat is designed to provide exceptional comfort, reducing fatigue and strain on your feet and legs, allowing you to work more efficiently. Its non-slip feature ensures stability, preventing slips and falls, while the waterproof surface protects against spills and splashes, making it a practical choice for any kitchen environment. Additionally, the ease of cleaning is a significant advantage, as you can quickly wipe away inevitable spills without hassle. By incorporating an anti-fatigue mat into your kitchen, you can enhance both comfort and safety, making your cooking experience more enjoyable. A portable knife sharpener offers remarkable convenience for maintaining your kitchen tools, making it an essential accessory for any home chef. This innovative sharpener easily attaches to any flat surface using a strong suction mechanism, ensuring stability while you sharpen your knives. With just a few strokes, you can achieve a razor-sharp edge, allowing you to prepare meals with precision and ease. Its compact design makes it incredibly easy to store, fitting neatly in a drawer or on a shelf without taking up much space. By incorporating a portable knife sharpener into your kitchen routine, you can enjoy the benefits of sharp knives anytime, enhancing your cooking experience effortlessly. Introducing a spacious dish drying rack that combines functionality and style, making it an essential addition to any kitchen. One of its standout features is the extendable design, which allows you to accommodate more dishes, ensuring that even large loads can be dried efficiently. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this rack is built to withstand daily use while resisting rust and corrosion, guaranteeing longevity. Additionally, it comes equipped with a convenient drain board that collects excess water, preventing messes on your countertop and promoting a cleaner kitchen environment. With its thoughtful design and practical features, this dish drying rack makes drying dishes a breeze while enhancing your kitchen's organization. Airtight stainless steel mixing bowls are a must-have for any kitchen, offering a range of benefits that enhance your cooking experience. These bowls come in various sizes, catering to different cooking needs, whether you're mixing small batches of spices or preparing large quantities of ingredients. The airtight lids are a standout feature, effectively keeping your ingredients fresh and preventing spills, which is especially useful for meal prep and storage. Additionally, the non-slip bottoms provide stability while mixing, ensuring that the bowls stay securely in place, even during vigorous stirring. With their durability and practicality, airtight stainless steel mixing bowls make cooking and food storage more efficient and enjoyable. Motion sensor under cabinet lights offer exceptional convenience, transforming your kitchen or workspace with their innovative design. These lights attach easily to cabinets without the need for cumbersome switches, automatically illuminating your area when you enter, which is perfect for hands-free operation while cooking or working. One of the standout features is the dimmer function, allowing you to adjust the brightness to suit your needs, whether you require bright light for detailed tasks or a softer glow for ambiance. Additionally, the USB Type-C charging makes recharging a breeze, ensuring that your lights are always ready for use without the hassle of replacing batteries. Enjoy enhanced visibility and efficiency with these practical lighting solutions. A silverware drawer organizer is an essential tool for maintaining an orderly kitchen, offering numerous benefits that enhance functionality. With 8 compartments, it provides a neat arrangement for forks, knives, spoons, and other utensils, ensuring everything has its designated place. This thoughtful design not only makes it easy to find what you need, but also promotes a tidy appearance in your kitchen drawers. Additionally, the expandable side pockets accommodate larger tools, such as serving spoons and spatulas, providing versatility for various kitchen needs. By utilizing a silverware drawer organizer, you can effectively declutter your kitchen drawers, creating a more efficient cooking space and simplifying your meal prep process. The KitchenAid Artisan stand mixer is a powerhouse in any kitchen, boasting a range of powerful features that elevate your baking experience. With its impressive capacity, this mixer can effortlessly handle large batches of dough, making it ideal for everything from bread to cookies. Its sturdy design ensures durability, allowing it to withstand the rigors of frequent use while maintaining peak performance. Additionally, the Artisan stand mixer is incredibly versatile, equipped with various attachments that cater to a wide array of baking needs, from whipping cream to pasta making. With its combination of strength, durability, and adaptability, the KitchenAid Artisan stand mixer is an essential tool for both novice and experienced bakers alike. In this video, we explored a range of innovative kitchen gadgets designed to enhance your cooking experience and improve efficiency in the kitchen. Key takeaways include the convenience of tools like the garlic press, which simplifies meal prep, and the versatility of the multi-blade scissors that streamline herb chopping. Each gadget showcased offers unique features that can save time and reduce clutter, making your kitchen more organized and enjoyable to work in. We encourage you to explore these gadgets to elevate your culinary skills and simplify your cooking routine. If you found this content helpful, please subscribe, like, and share the video for more exciting kitchen tips and tools.